So this works good. The little ear trimmer, nose trimmer thing, or you can use this one. Works great. This one, I used to have one similar to this that had like attachments like this where I could actually shave the peach fuzz off my face because I have PCOS. But because of the curvature of this and how far just the way it's curved, it doesn't get as close to my face as I'd like. But it works well. Has attachments. This one's for like a closer clipped beard trim or your sideburns, your nose, cleaning. It's got some guards for this. And it has a cover that you can put on it. Overall, it's a good piece. I should have just read it to see that it wasn't rechargeable.